Hi, I'm Brian. This is an SAT math question involving equivalent expressions. So we're given these two expressions here, these two quadratic expressions. We're multiplying them together, and we're asked which of the following is equivalent to this expression up here. So notice that all these answer choices involve these binomials here. So x plus 5 is a binomial. That's what I mean by that. Um, Really what it just means is that they're in factored form. So what we want to do when we see quadratics, just in general on the SATs, is break them down into their binomials by remembering how to factor them. And what I mean by that is find two numbers that multiply to negative 15 and add up to negative 2. That's the shortcut. So we're kind of unfoiling or undistributing here. And the way this one's going to break down is with x minus 5 and x plus 3. You can check it by multiplying it out. It should come back out to the original expression. And then over here, we would have x plus 3 and x plus 1. So those are the binomials that make up these quadratic expressions here. Notice in the answer choices, this one's off a little bit by one of the signs, but also notice that when you have two binomials in common, another way to write that, since it's x plus 3 times x plus 3, that's the same as x plus 3 squared. That's what that exponent means there. So that's why this is the correct answer. Sometimes you have to do a little bit of juggling with these or reordering them or maybe multiply them back together in some of the other questions. But bottom line is when you see quadratics like this and you see binomials as the answer choices, go back to your rules of factoring quadratics and it should be pretty straightforward.